Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So in our last English class, we have seen about a poem Rain in Summer. I hope you all understood that poem. So in today's English class, we are going to start a new lesson. Before starting the lesson, I will ask you some question. You all like to go to school, right? Yes. We all like to go to school. See, here is a girl. In this lesson, she also likes to go to school. But she can't able to travel because she is a disabled girl. So, we are going to see the lesson related to that girl only. How she is going to go to school. Shall we move on to the lesson, children? Yes. Lesson 5. Chushkit goes to school. Chushkit woke up early. She looked out of the window. In her village of Skidpoyul in Ladakh, the apricot trees were in full bloom. 2 magpies had begun the day early too and were busy looking for insects to eat. Chushkit could hear Amale in the kitchen making tea. Today is going to be 9-year-old Chushkit's first day to school. She has waited a long time for this. So, Chushkit is a girl. Okay, she has woke up early in the morning. Through her window, she is seeing the apricot tree. So, in this apricot tree, she can able to see 2 magpies. Magpies is nothing but birds. Okay, they started to they began their day early too because these 2 magpies also got up early like Chushkit, and these 2 magpies were busy in seeing the insect to eat. And Amale is nothing but mother. So in their language they are calling us Amale. So Chushkit can able to hear that her mother is making tea in the kitchen. Now Chushkit is nearly 9 years old and she is ready to go to school. This will be the first day for a school. To get to Chushkit school, you have to walk to the main road and before the prayer wheel. Take the left path that runs along a narrow stream. When you reach the poplar trees, you cross the stream by jumping over the big rocks. On the other side, a short walk up a slope takes you to school. All the children in Chushkit's village walk to the school every day. But so far, Chushkit has not been able to go with them. Okay. See, this Chushkit school was in the main road. They have to walk to the main road. Okay. And the path will be like a narrow stream. A narrow stream will be passing in the path. Okay. When you reach the poplar tree, okay, we have to jump the big rocks because the way was not clear. So it is not easy to walk to the main road. There will be full of rocks and stream in between it will be going. So it is not a normal road. On the other side, a short walk up a slope takes you to the school. So there will be an other side. There will be a slope. Slope means what? Konjam vandu sarigalana edam irukum. Then only you can able to go to school. So all the children in that village, they used to walk to the school every day. But Chushkit cannot able to go with them. We will see why she is not able to go with them. Chushkit cannot walk. She has a disability. Abale had first taken her to the village Amchi and then to the doctors in Leh. But no amount of medicine had helped her walk. When Chushkit had felt sad that she could not do many things as easily as her brother, stopped and Abale would say that does not matter. You can stitch and draw better than anyone. So because this girl was a disabled girl, she is not able to walk. Okay, so Abale is nothing but her father. Okay, he will take her to the village Amchi. It is nothing but, it is a place which is located in the Leh, to the doctor. But they have given many medicine, but they can't able to cure this Shushkit. Okay, because she can't able to walk. So Shushkit is having a brother. His name is Stopden. Okay, and his father used to say that usually this Shushkit will feel that his brother can able to walk and he can able to go to school. But what this Abale used to say, that doesn't matter, you can stitch and draw better than anyone. So this Shushkit will able to draw nicely. Okay, and also she can able to stitch. So he will say that you can able to draw better than your brother Stopden. At first, Shushkit would sit at the kitchen window every day. Then one day, Abale brought home a wheelchair. Shushkit was excited about pushing herself around in it. Now I will be able to go wherever I want, she said. Even Stopden thought the chair looked like a lot of fun. So at last what they have done, this Abale has bought Shushkit one wheelchair because she can't able to walk, right? So he has bought one new wheelchair. By sitting in the wheelchair, she started to move around that place and she thought that she can able to move wherever she want. This Stopden also was very much excited to play with that wheelchair. Slowly, Shushkit learned to use her wheelchair. She would sit outside her home every evening and watch the children returning from school and people getting off the evening bus from Leh. So after some time, after some days, she can able to manage that wheelchair. She can able to use the wheelchair properly, and in the evening time she used to sit in the outside of her house and she will watch the children coming from the school, and also she can able to see the people getting out of the bus in the Leh. I hope till now you would have understand the lesson, children. The rest of the lesson will be continued in our next class. Herewith, I am sending the worksheet. Kindly do the worksheet in your English homework note. Thank you.